I am Gunsang Denzin, a Tibetan refugee raised in India. Stories of Tibetans is a photography and videography project which showcases the lives of Tibetans in exile, and I think everybody have a different sort of perspective towards the culture and the tradition. And moreover, since this culture is being genocided by the Chinese government as well as it's dying in a rapid way, so that's why I want to preserve this in form of media or in form of art, so that it will be available to everyone to learn and to share. And moreover, I think it is a huge gift for the coming generation, so that they will also learn something about our culture. So you can get involved in many ways. By watching this documentary or this short clip, you are already getting involved. Share this video to your friends. You can also donate, sponsor our clips or documentaries. We will definitely feature your name or your organization or your group, whatever it is. Finally, thank you for watching this short clip, and I think we all need to take initiatives and support each other if we really believe in humanity, if we believe in peace. Thank you for your time, and I'm looking forward to get connected with you, and let's make this happen.